What should we do now? Let's get down to work. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Hey, wait for me. Arrived. Let's start. Keep going. I have completed the mission. See you again. It's so nice to see you again. Oh my God! What is going on? I will ask someone for help. Yes, I think so too. Here I come. Hi, everybody. Wow, great! It looks good. Wonderful. That's great. Oh, no! What should we do now? Let's go. There he is. What are you doing here? Oh, I don't know. Arrgh! I don't think so. Finally, here we are. What are you doing? Hurry up. Don't worry, you got me. Good job. Stop immediately. Let's do it. Ah, found it. What is going on? Come on, let's get down to work. Yes, no problem. Run! Oh my God! Arrived. What is wrong with him? Move! Move! Stop! Stop! It is the police! I was wrong. I'm sorry. Oh my God! Oh no! What should we do now? I will ask someone for help. Don't worry, I'm here. Keep going. You've done a great job. I'm going. We are always by your side. Let's go. Wonderful. I will fix it soon.
Draw.
I think you need help. We have to finish the job within today. Yes, no problem. Okay, done. Very good. Wow, it looks good. Wow, that's great. We have to finish the job within today. I hope everything goes well. Let's get down to work. Help me! Help me! Please, call the police.
Oh.
We have to help him. Let's do it. We can do it. Hey, I'm here. Ah, found it. I'm not fine at all. Ugh, it hurts. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, we made it! Made it! That's all right, thanks. You were great! Hello, I need support. Wow, that's great! Wow, it looks good! Let's go home!